Hi everyone, this is your Pradeep Chaudhary. Today I would like to explain about should, would and could. So actually should, would and could are auxiliary verbs that can sometimes get confusing. They are the past tense of shall, will and can, but are also used in other situations. So here should is the past form of shall, would is the past form of will, could is the past form of can. And first one, should can be used. So should can be used to express something that is probable. To express something that is probable. Examples: John should be here by 2 p.m. He should be bringing Jennifer with him. These are the to express something that is probable. So these actions will take in the future. Next one, to ask questions. Should we turn left at this street? With help of should, we can prepare the questions also. We can ask the questions also. Should we turn left at this street? Should not you be getting ready for work? And next one, to show obligation. Obligation means responsibilities. Give recommendation or even an opinion. To explain about opinion, to explain about giving recommendations, and to show obligations, we can use the should. You should stop eating fast food. You should go for walks more often. We should go to the park tomorrow. He should go to the pharmacy first thing in the morning. So in this way, we can use the should in these three categories. Next one is the would. So would is the past form of will. Now would can be used to ask questions: who, what, where, when, why or how. Not always, but often we used to use these questioning words to ask questions regarding the would. And if you see the questions, how would you do that? What would you do if? When would we have time to do that? Who would want to wait in that line? These are the possible questions with help of what, where, when, why or how. Sometimes we used to use these questioning words to ask the questions with help of the would. And the next one, to make a polite request. Examples: would you like any tea? We are asking in a polite way. Somebody came to our house, so we are asking in a polite way, would you like any tea? Would you like anything else? In this way, we can make a polite request. Next one is the hypothetical situations. If I had lot of money, I would like to own a farm one day. Right now with me, I don't have lot of money, so I am unable to buy a farm. But this is the possibility in a future. For example, if I had lot of money, I would like to own a farm one day. I would love to buy a boat one day. Not now, just I am thinking. I would love to buy boat one day. Next one, to ask questions. With help of would also we can ask questions. Would you like fries or salad? We are asking our relatives, friends and so on. So what we are asking, would you like fries or a salad? Would you like to join us tonight? In this way, by using or with help of would, we can ask the questions and we can ask the questions with help of who, what, where, when and why, and to make polite requests regarding in a hypothetical situations also we can use the would. Now could is the past form of can. Could also we can use to suggest a possibility. Whose journal is this? It could be Nella's journal. Could A be the answer? It's definitely not B or a D. B and D are definitely it's not answers, but could A be the answer? And to make polite request, could you please move this box? Could you please pass that paper? So regarding here, to make a polite request, I am able to move that box. I am able to pass that paper also. Even though I am busy. That's why I am asking somebody else. Could you please move this box? Even it is possible for us. Even though when we are busy, then we can ask somebody else to do those kinds of the activities. At that time we can use could you please move this box. If you see here in these examples, could you please move this box? Here I could. I am able to move that box, but I am really busy right now. That's why I asked my friend or somebody else to move that box. Could you please pass that paper? Sure, I can. Here also I am able to pass the paper, but due to by busy, just I am asking somebody else to pass that paper. In this way, could also we can use to suggest a possibility to make a polite request.